Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unpin an email in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. Whether you've pinned an email to keep it at the top of your inbox or simply want to declutter your view, unpinning is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to access your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox where all your emails are displayed. Now locate the email you want to unpin. If you've pinned an email before, it will appear at the very top of your inbox, separated from the rest of your emails for easy access. Hover your cursor over the email. This action will reveal several options next to it. On the right-hand side of the email, you'll see a small pin icon. This is the same icon used to pin the email initially. To unpin it, simply click on the pin icon. Once clicked, the email will instantly move back into its original position within your inbox, based on its timestamp or sorting preference. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned an email in Outlook. This feature is especially useful for keeping important emails visible temporarily without permanently altering their placement in your inbox. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other pinned emails you'd like to remove. With this quick method, managing your inbox becomes effortless and organized. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay productive and enjoy using Outlook.